got stovetop dressing. I got 1 pack. We're going to put, it says 3/4 cup of chicken, 1/2 cup of pork, we're just going to sort of stir that a little bit. I had a piece of chicken left over, and I didn't want to throw it away. And I had gone to a restaurant, had a pork barbecue sandwich, and didn't eat it, and brought it home, and just decided I'd make something with that. So what we're going to do, we've got our chicken, our pork, our stovetop dressing. I sprayed my dish now. I used pan. Olive oil, you use whatever you prefer. And we're going to mix a can of cream of chicken soup. And I'm just going to fill the can up with water and use this water. That way it gets all of the chicken soup out of the pan. So, all you got to do is stir everything together. Easy meal to fix. Half a cup of pork is what that sandwich turned out to be. And that piece of chicken I had, it came up to 3/4 cup of chicken. If you've got a little bit more of either one, does not matter. We're going to take our casserole dish that we have sprayed. I have my Ninja set on bake. I'm going to cook it for 30 minutes at 350. As you can tell, it says preheating, so it'll take it just a few seconds, not very much, for it to preheat. Okay, I have 4 more minutes to go, so I've taken it out, and I'm just going to sprinkle some cheese on here and put it back in there and let it finish cooking, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I've cooked it for 30 minutes. When at 25 minutes, I took it out and I put the cheese on top, and it has now melted. And we're going to see what we've got. Well, it definitely looks good. It's done. I added some pepper to mine. You can add salt and pepper to your taste. This just shows you take whatever you've got in your refrigerator, and you can always make a casserole. Because this is nothing but leftover chicken, some leftover pork, but I didn't have enough for either one just to be by themselves, so I just added them together, and it has turned out very, very well. Chicken pork casserole. And I really love cranberry sauce, so I put me 2 pieces of cranberry sauce on here. So now I've got my dinner. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please give me your comments. Thank you for joining my channel, and come back to see me.